Hey folks, my name is Paul and I'm doing this review for Jimmy's Auto Body Repair Services in Paterson, New Jersey. And I want to give a big shout out to Jimmy and his wife, Fatima. He was over there in 7-Eleven in Paterson. I do pest control in that area and I stopped by my favorite 7-Eleven to get some coffee. And when I was coming out, I have a nice pretty black Silverado. And Jimmy had noticed my truck, and then he took a second look and saw the big dent that I had on the side of the Silverado that I had gotten just a couple days before from a hit and run in New York City. So we started talking. I met his wife, really nice family, and he told me that he had a body shop, and if I ever wanted to stop by, well, we began talking some more, and he gave me an irresistible price that I couldn't refuse. So I had some time before my next pest control stop, and I went over to his shop, and him and his team jumped on that job. And folks, with less than an hour, it was finished. It looked like it never happened. Not a scratch, not a dent. It looked like I never had an accident. Better that than going to the insurance company. But I'll tell you, he didn't give me a 5-star service. Jimmy's Auto Body Repair Services in Paterson, New Jersey, he gave me a 5,000-star service. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, guys. And I highly recommend. God bless. Bye-bye.